I'm back. I'm here to show you how to get this look. I don't know if it's an everyday, it's a glowy look. It's my everyday-ish look. That's it really. I'm just gonna show you how to get this look. No. That's it actually. Okay, I'm so sorry, I should have warned you about the jump scare. This thing being the jump scare. I've already prepped my skin, so that's moisturizer and eye cream. And I did that. I usually do it about like when I wake up, and then I'll do makeup a bit later, so it like has time to sink in and my makeup doesn't like slip off. Okay, so first off, we're going in with the Hollywood Flawless Filter, and this is literally my favorite thing to use. Then I just buff that out, and I watched a guy on TikTok and he said push it into your skin, don't swipe around your skin. Okay, so then I use the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I literally put like a couple of little, so that amount, like a little, and then again, I just buff it in. The Charlotte Tilbury, I feel is like quite slippy, and I feel like putting the little bit of proper foundation over the top helps it like stick. And now I have lost all definition in my face. Next up, I go in with the Maybelline Fit Me, the classic. This is in shade, I don't know. This is my go-to spot, so a little bit on the chin. I don't know why, but someone said before that you should put it on the chin, so I do. And then I put a little bit there, right in there, and then a spot there. I have a problem because I've put all my makeup in the sink. The tap is above the sink, but I need to wet my beauty blender, so I'm gonna wet it in the bath. Okay, bear with. So, buff, 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 buff. I like to keep it in a straight line out that way, and then just there, and then we kind of join. Dab, dab, dab. And then at the end of the nose, I like just like a couple of dabs. Then I use a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury. I'm sorry, I don't know what any of this stuff is called. I'm trying not to smile because I feel like my makeup will crease if I start smiling, but it's really hard. I'm trying to be really calm. So then I use some of the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand. I don't know what shade this is in. I don't know why I'm whispering. Few blobs there. Then I go under the lip like there. In a like a McDonald's shape here, like down there, up, and then blend, blend, blend. So now I'm gonna set my under eyes with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Floor. Now I'm gonna set my under eyes with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. Oh my god, why is that so hard? So I'm setting my eyes with that, and I do it with like a brush, and then I just pat. I'm like, pat, pat, pat. And then on the end of my nose, and then I just do like here as well, just like, now that's done, I actually can't remember what my next step is. So now I do my eyebrows, and I use the Precisely My Brow pencil, and I use the one end to brush up. And then I love this so much. I don't think I'll ever find another brow product that I love as much as this. And then I just like, I pull in a little bit, a line here, and then I just like flick hairs out of that line. Same on this side. I do both front ends first, and then I do each end, so that I feel like if I did one whole brow and then went on to the other brow, they'd be like so uneven. So I do them at the same time, then I just pull that out. Okay, so then I go in with the NARS Dolce Vita blush, and I love this so much. And then the NARS bronzer in shade Laguna. And then I do a little bit over my nose. In between doing all of this, I put on a little bit of mascara, and because I wear fake eyelashes, I just use a Primark mascara, which works insane. It's actually one of my favourites. I feel like this just gives something for like the lashes to stick to. Again, there's no science behind this, it's just my theory. Now for my absolute favourite bit. These lashes are insane. They are the ones that I just get off Amazon all the time, and I have a little link that will put in the description, and if you buy them, it's an affiliate link, and it's my first ever one, so I'm really like, do not come for me on my lash glue, because this is empty, and that's actually disgusting. I can't even show you that. And oh, the secret, I feel like loads of people struggle with lashes. So glue on the lash band, and then I like to put an extra blob on what will be the inner corner. So put a little extra blob there. Now, the secret to these is you have to leave them for like 15 seconds minimum, else they won't stick. And everyone says, oh, my lashes, like I can't get them to stay. You're not letting the oh, girls. You're not letting the glue start to get sticky. You need to wait till it's like not liquidy anymore. Okay, so now my lashes should be dry. So then, tweezers are amazing, but my nails are like tweezers, so please go good. Please, please, please go good. You're on camera. Do us proud. Do us proud. Onto lips. I'm not gonna lie, I have no regular lip thing because I have a million different lip stuff. I always lose them, so they'll be like in a handbag, I'll use a different handbag, they'll be in a pocket, I'll use a different pocket, I'll use a different jacket, trousers. Okay, so here's what I'm working with at the moment that's in my bag. This is the NYX Suede Lip Liner, and this is in shade, I think it's Alabama, or that word's just on there, or it was made in Alabama. Now, I would like to use this moment to remind people, my camera has a skin smoothing thing in it, and I have lip filler. And then I go over, well, I didn't even tell what I'm using. Wow, I love this so much. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. Oh, I sound like a massive fan, I'm obsessed. Oh my God, why is it so small? Pillow Talk in this form. So I know it's not a lipstick, it's like, what, I don't know what this is called. It's like a lipstick gloss. And to finish this all off, NARS sent me their dry body oil. I haven't even tried this stuff, so we're trying this together. Look at that. So we're going to put it on our hands. Is that a lot? That looks stunning. Oh my gosh. I don't think I've forgotten anything, is that? Yes, that looks like me. So there is the final makeup look. Excuse the toilet behind me. I tried to make it look aesthetic in here because I lit a candle. I don't know why I lifted up, like that was gonna lift the candle up. But down here is a mess. Down here is a mess. I'm actually gonna show you. So guys, this is actually what I was working with. So while you think it looks aesthetic, I've actually also got an extension lead running through there. So it's not pretty, but I look pretty, so.